Just as a disclaimer, this video and all my other Tiger Broker videos are my own and do not represent Tiger Broker's position or opinion. Kia ora everyone, it's been a while since I have talked about Tiger Brokers, and I think now is the perfect time to start talking about them again because they have done some major changes which may make you want to reconsider your broker. The first thing I want to talk about is the new promotion they have right now. The second thing I want to talk about is the changes they have made to their fee structures. And finally, I've got some exclusive offers for you just for watching this video. First, let's talk about the new promotion they are currently having called Zero Fees, Zero Worries. For a limited time only, if you sign up during this promotion period, you will get the first 4 transactions free every single month for life, which is amazing. No other platform does that. I should point out though, if you're trading more than 200 shares, the zero fees would not apply. But we'll talk about the normal fees soon. Now, when you're investing in overseas companies, transaction fees are not the only thing you have to worry about. You also have to be mindful about the currency exchange fees when you're picking the right broker. Now, that's where Tiger Brokers shines again. With the Zero Fees, Zero Worries promotion, they will let you exchange up to 2,000 New Zealand dollars every single month for no currency exchange fees. This covers New Zealand dollar to US dollar back to New Zealand dollar, and the same with Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Again, no other platform has this offer. If you sign up to Tiger Brokers during my last Tiger Broker videos, then the chances are you would have gotten the lifetime US stock and ETF commission-free promotion. And you would have already gotten an email clarifying that since you open an account with us during this promotion period, you will continue to enjoy zero commission on your US stock and ETF trades. But that promotion period has obviously ended, and if you missed out, that's okay because now we have this new promotion. So if you're thinking about signing up to Tiger Brokers, now is probably the next best time to do so. I guess what I'm trying to say is I don't know when or what the next promotion would be, but once Tiger Broker becomes more popular, their promotions might not be so generous. So anyways, that's the promotion that's happening right now. The other thing I want to talk about is the changes they have made to their normal fees. Their normal fees has changed to a flat $2 to buy and sell up to 200 shares. And yes, you can now trade fraction shares. By the time my last Tiger Broker video came out, this was not possible. And if you're trading more than 200 shares, then it is an additional 1 cent for every share after 200 shares, which isn't more expensive. For example, if you buy 400 shares of a company, then you will be charged $2 for the first 200 shares, then 1 cent per share for the remaining 200 shares, which works out to be $2 as well. To buy Australian stocks, it has gotten cheaper as well, with a flat fee of $5 Australian to buy and sell. If you trade more than 20,000 Australian dollars, then you will be charged 0.025% of your trade value. To buy Hong Kong stocks, which many brokers don't allow you to do, it is a flat 15 Hong Kong dollars. If you trade more than 25,000 Hong Kong dollars, then you will be charged 0.6% of your trade value. The New Zealand and US currency exchange as well as New Zealand and Australian currency exchange fee is only 0.35%, which is also low compared to other brokers in New Zealand. Check out their website for a full list of other currency exchange fees. So as you can see, with all these changes, especially combined with the new promotion, Tiger Brokers is one of the cheapest brokers in New Zealand if you want to buy and sell overseas companies. In my previous video, I created this table where you can type in the amount you are thinking of investing, the share price of the company you want, and then it automatically tells you how much each broker will charge you. Let me know if you want Tiger Brokers to be included in this so you can easily see exactly how much you will be saving or not saving if you choose to invest through Tiger Brokers. If you're new to investing or the platform is just too much for you, then another benefit of Tiger Brokers is that they are the only brokers in New Zealand that supports demo accounts, where you can practice your trading without losing any real money. I have also made a full tutorial video with real money, so the platform should be straightforward after watching that video. The link will be in the description. Tiger Brokers also has a number you can pick up the phone and call, unlike most other platforms where you can only chat, email, or you had to book a call. Another benefit to Tiger Brokers is that they're the only ones to give live data for free. Now, let's talk about some exclusive offers. I have teamed up with Tiger Brokers to give you even more of a better deal. If you click on the first link in the description, it'll take you to this page where it says Special Bonus to Kiwi Investments Audience. If you fund your account with an accumulated net deposit minimum of 2,000 New Zealand dollars within the 7 days of your first deposit, you will get an extra $30 worth of Tesla shares. For full disclosure, if you do that, I get $30 as well. But as usual, my $30 will be donated to New Zealand St. John Ambulance Charity. a charity which I believe we all might need to use one day, one way or the other. And I normally make a video showing the money being donated so you can see it and also be a part of it. Thank you for everyone that has helped me raise money for this charity so far. So there you go, a lot of different reasons why you should sign up to Tiger Brokers. If you are going to sign up, don't forget to use the referral link in the video description so you can get those free exclusive offers while raising money for charity. Click on this video if you want to see the full tutorial video of Tiger Brokers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.